Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump and prone in BGMI. To jump, simply tap the dedicated jump button on your screen, typically located on the right side. For proning, press and hold the prone button, usually near the movement joystick. Mastering these fundamental actions is crucial for navigating the battlefield efficiently and gaining a significant edge over your opponents. We will explore various tactical applications in the upcoming slides. Jumping isn't just for clearing small obstacles like low walls or windows. It's a powerful offensive tool. Try executing a jump shot by leaping while firing to make yourself a harder target and surprise enemies. You can also use quick jumps to peek around corners, gathering vital information about enemy positions without exposing yourself for too long. This quick movement can save you from taking unnecessary damage during engagements. Prone offers excellent cover, especially in open fields or when under heavy fire. Dropping to the ground instantly, known as a prone drop, can help you evade incoming bullets and quickly break line of sight. Combine proning with crawling to move silently and reposition without drawing attention. This low profile makes you incredibly difficult to spot, giving you a tactical advantage in stealthy engagements or when ambushing foes. For advanced play, practice the jump prone technique. This involves jumping and then immediately proning midair to land in a prone position, useful for quickly getting behind low cover. Integrating these movements seamlessly into your combat flow, whether for evasion, offense, or repositioning, will significantly enhance your survival rate and overall performance. Consistent practice will make these actions second nature, allowing for fluid and effective gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.